Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to align elements in Canva using rulers and guides. So first up, what you need to do is to open your Canva account on your browser, or if you have the Canva app, then you can also access that. And then from there, just open a design or create a design that you wish to edit. So for example, we have one right here. So we're just going to jump right into this design. And then we're going to head straight into the editing. So here, let me just open it in a new tab so that we can see it in full. No thanks. All right, so by default, you can see that we have a bunch of elements that are already present in our design. And you can also actually change its position accurately by clicking on a particular element. So for example, this specific phrase that says time is. So this is separate from the now since it's two different designs. So for example, if I select this element, I can change its position to a particular order. So currently it's at middle and center, but if I switch it to left, you can see it'll change or top or right, bottom. Then I'm going to put it back at the center right there. So you can freely do this if you'd like, or you can also move the layer backward or forward. So that's just a quick access to changing its position. But if you want to get to the specific details of the grid or the rulers with guides, then you can actually head to File. And then from here, you just need to look for the settings part right here. So show rulers and guides. And as you can see, it gives us a nice reference on each side. So on the left and on the upper part. So it actually guides us. As you can see, there's a highlight at the ruler at the top. You can see that. So this gives us a nice reference to align our elements perfectly. So you can do this with all of the elements that are on your design, and then they will align accordingly with the grid that's available on the borders of the screen. All right, so that's how you align your elements using rulers and guides. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.